What's good, guys? So today, as some of you who saw my Instagram story, we made a quick little 500 on the day. We got stopped at break even on both trades, but hey, it is what it is. You can't complain. Low key, I could have ended the day with a way better break even trade. I misinterpreted my risk right here. I would have been up. Let's see. Right here, I would have been up 950, divide that by 2. Dang, bro, fuck. Plus that like 345, I think it was. Dang, bro. Oh my goodness. 820. I would have been up 820 on the day in less than like 19 minutes. Both of these trades took less than 19 minutes. Oh, it pisses me off. Okay. Yeah, because I think it was I misinterpreted my risk. I think I got the closed P&L number mixed with like the quantity, so I put less risk than I should have. Bro, dang, bro, that pisses me off. But all right, from the beginning, obviously NQ. We waited for the New York Open. We had news. I think it was 8:30. Yeah, or 8 o'clock. We had news, 8 o'clock. It was honestly a pretty decent reaction in my opinion. Yeah, 8:30 in the morning. News candle right here. And then New York Open right here at 9:30. You guys can see. 9:30 New York Open. So immediately we took out these highs, these hourly highs over here, 30-minute highs, whatever. We were also within like this, I think it was like a 4-hour fair value gap. Yeah, we were also within this 4-hour fair value gap, but it kind of like I didn't really care about that. So, but then we scaled down to the 1 minute. Okay, like I said, this was news 8:30, pretty decent. I don't know if you guys can see that. Pretty decent candle in my opinion. And then obviously New York Open. So we waited, bro, and like I was just waiting so long because we swept it right, and I was like, okay, well, we're gonna start moving to the downside, but that wasn't the case. We ended up pumping even more, and then we got that break of structure as well as an order block right here. Bang. We also had this bigger order block, so I kind of marked out both, and it ended up respecting both. So then all we were waiting for is that break of structure, which we got right here with this low close right here. Bang, cool. Shorts right here, stop loss at this high. Regardless, even if I put my stop loss up here within the order block, I would have gotten stopped out. So yeah. And then obviously targeted previous areas of liquidity. This was this low kind of caught my eye more than like all the other ones. I could have targeted like the beginning of, or no, I could have targeted like I don't know, like this low right here for a 1 to 1.5, but we ended up going all the way down here. This was first take profit, and then second was this fair value gap right here. Third take profit was this 50% mark on this order block. And as you can see, so we hit this, sold half, put our stop loss at break even, and we ended up getting stopped out. But hey, that's a what was like a 2 point something, right? So nothing to whine about. Oh, let me let my dogs in. So like I said, nothing to whine about. Fuck. And then like I don't know if like my audio is on in like the live clip I'll add after this recap. But bro, like we almost got stopped out, like our stop loss almost got hit, and then we ended up just tanking all the way down to every single take profit that we had. So, but happens. I stick to my rules, and we got it tomorrow, So this was the first trade. Oh, and then we also have this SMT. I think this is an SMT. Okay, I'm still learning about SMTs. So if I'm wrong, please correct me. So on ES, we made a higher high, but on NQ, we made a a lower high. See that? Bang. Bang. So I'm not sure if that's correct, but hey, trade worked out. So that was NQ, and now moving to ES. Let's see. So like I said, yeah, on ES, this was the trade I was waiting for. On ES, we had hourly highs right here. This was Asian session, I think. Yeah, Asian session highs. You also had this data high all the way over here, and we ended up completely just edging that stuff, bro. Like, let me show you guys. We didn't even hit this, bro. So we were still reacting off of this. This is the one that I was like, okay, well, can we start dumping? Can we start dumping? And nothing, bro. It's just insane pumps. It's like, okay, well, we definitely want to take out these highs all the way over here, but we didn't get that. But what we did get is a break of structure, cool, and it was just like insane dump too. Probably because I'm just new to futures, like just these moves and how volatile like the markets are. I'm not really used to that. So we have this order block, bang, break of structure. We come into it and break of structure again right here. So that's where I entered. Right there. We close below that low, so enter. Cool. Our stop loss was at like around here-ish, a little bit after that sweep of liquidity, just because, like I said, I was kind of confident that we were going to sweep this high, but we haven't. Actually, did we ever sweep it? Oh, we did, but no reaction, literally. So, but yeah, I just wanted to stay safe, I guess. So then we targeted this low, kind of identical to NQ. I think my second low was equilibrium on this just huge move to the upside after New York Open. Or no, this was my first take profit. Cool. Second take profit was this equilibrium right here. Bang. I think this was like a high. Yeah. This was also a high right here. And then last take profit was all the way down here to this order block, this 1 minute order block. I could have honestly, I feel like I could have made a 5 minute or 3 minute order block or fair value gap. Let's see. Yeah, maybe this order block all the way over here. 3.6, but still, ended up getting stopped out at break even, so it's okay, This was a 4.23. We ended up hitting 2 take profits. Actually, no, we did hit this. Or no, we didn't. We hit the beginning of the order block, but not the 50% mark. Low-key, I should have targeted this, but hey, whatever. But yeah, and then okay, so we enter. Let me actually replay so you guys can see how I was edging my stop. I was like, holy shit, like my first trade on futures and it's gonna go horrible, insane. So right here we sold for 13 contracts. Stop loss up here, like I said. Cool. Take profit 1, 2, and 3 all the way over here. Holy shit, I could have made 2 bands on this, but whatever, that's in the future. So we get just this blue candle going towards my stop loss, and then we start reacting lower. It was like, okay, cool, we're in profit now. We should start moving lower. Blue candle. This kind of pissed me off because okay, cool, we're gonna get another break of structure and then we're gonna continue higher. But obviously that didn't happen until here. Bang, bro, up $500. And mind, these are 1 minute candles, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in 6 minutes. Easily could have closed out for a 500 W, but we didn't do that. All right, and then I had buy limits. Fuck, where is my? I don't know. Oh, I see, because it's replay. Yeah. So I had my buy limits here to sell half. We waited for that. Bang, sold half. Quick little W. So then, okay, cool. Stop loss at break even. Oh no, it's not break even. Bang, break even. No. Right there. Perfect. Okay. So nothing we could risk anymore. We already took profits. And bro, insane. We just ripped to the upside, stopping us out. Bang. And then we don't even hit our. I thought this move was gonna cause us to sweep these highs, but We didn't. We continued lower. Like I said, I got off the charts like right around like 10:30 or 10:25 because I left for school. It's right here. But like I said, nothing to complain. $500 in like 8 minutes, bro. Come on. Futures is actually so insane, dude. This change is gonna be so wild, and it makes so much more sense too. Like, the price is just so much more smoother. Like forex, like the candles are smoother, but like the price isn't really smoother. Like for forex, you would see like 5-minute fair value gaps get like respected and then disrespected like same time. But this one, no. We respect order block and we continue lower. And yeah. So this was my where is it? For NQ, I think we targeted this data low and ended up getting hit, but obviously your entry wasn't the best, but whatever. Yeah, this was or it was this one. Oh fuck. Where was this? Was it this one? I don't even know, bro. Oh no, it was this. It was over here. Yeah, I remember it was right here. This is where a lot of people targeted this data low. We ended up hitting it. Oh, edged, bang, hit that shit. But that's it. We're watching this fucking shit, bro. I just ate lunch. I'm gonna go walk my dogs for a bit, pick up my siblings from the bus, and then take my mom to work, take my siblings to tutoring, and then I'm gonna go boxing. And yeah, after this clip, I'm gonna show you guys the execution, like live executions. But yeah, with that being said, hopefully I'll catch you guys tomorrow.